Installing a vinyl fence post cap seems simple, but one small detail can save you a lot of headaches down the road.
To put the caps on these posts, we're going to take some PVC glue and I'm going to glue the cap. When putting on the caps, we don't want to just place them on because then someone could easily knock them off. So we're going to use some PVC glue and I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to put it on 3 sides of the cap. I leave one side not glued. That way, if we do ever need to do a repair, we can knock it off from the unglued side, which I usually face toward the customer. And then we are just going to put it on like that.
We're going to glue these caps on. I put a lot of glue on the on here so that somebody on a main road like this, they don't steal the caps. But I only glue 3 sides because if you have to pop a cap off and one side isn't glued, it's easier to work the cap off without cracking it. So I usually just glue 3 sides, not 4. Some glue here, some here, and some here. And I glue the cap on.
Now the post looks complete. We're going to repeat that down the fence line.